Hello, students. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and today we are going to cover 25 most important multiple choice questions for the chapter The Sound of Music. This is part 1, so let's begin. Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. Is written by who is the writer of this lesson? We have options Isaac Asimov, Kurt Skinny, Deborah Cowley. None of these. I hope you know the answer. Deborah Cowley. Deborah Cowley is the correct option. How old was Evelyn when she went to Royal Academy of Music? Evelyn की उम्र क्या थी? How old she was when she went to Royal Academy of Music? Where is Royal Academy of Music? In London, in Britain. She was 17 years old when she was waiting at an underground railway platform. Where is Royal Academy of Music? I just told you the answer. America, Britain, Japan, Russia. Where? In Britain, in London. Royal Academy of Music is in London. Fourth one, Evelyn Glennie was born in. What is the origin of Evelyn Glennie? कहाँ पैदा हुई थी वो? अमेरिका में, स्कॉटलैंड में, स्विट्जरलैंड में, रसिया में. She was born in Scotland. Where? In Scotland. 5. What is the name of her mother? उसकी माँ का नाम क्या है? एवलिन ग्रैनी की माँ का नाम क्या है? एलिस, जेनिफर, इसाबेल, मिसेस एक्स. So what is the name of her mother? The name of her mother is Isabel Glennie. Sixth one. How old she was when her marks deteriorated? 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, 11 years. उसकी एज क्या थी जब उसके मार्क्स खराब होने लगे, उसकी परफॉर्मेंस बिगड़ने लगी, एजुकेशनल परफॉर्मेंस, एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस? शी वॉज 11 years old. How old she was at that time? 11 years. What suggestion was given by the headmistress? At this, what was the suggestion given by headmistress? Headmistress ने क्या सजेस्ट किया? To take her home, to take her to a hilly region, to take her to other school, to take her to a specialist. She suggested that she should be taken to a specialist. Evelyn decided to play. क्या डिसाइड करती है वो, क्या बजाने के लिए? वायलिन, गिटार, जाइलोफोन, पुंगी. She decided to play xylophone. Who helped her with percussion instrument? Percussion जो पीट के बजाया जाता है. Who helped her with percussion instrument? Ron Weasley, Ron Forbes, Ron Joseph. None of these. Ron Forbes. How did he begin to teach her? How did Ron Forbes begin to teach her? By tuning two guitars, by tuning two large drums, by playing piano. None of these. How? कैसे? by tuning two large drums. How old was Evelyn when she decided to make music her life? कब डिसाइड कर लिया एवलिन ने कि उसकी लाइफ में एक ही गोल होगा, वो होगा म्यूजिक? 16 ईयर्स, 17 ईयर्स, 18 ईयर्स, 19 ईयर्स? आई होप यू नो द आंसर. She was 16 years old when she decided to make music her life. 12. What was the duration of her music course at Royal Academy of Music? कितने साल का कोर्स था उसका रॉयल एकेडमी ऑफ म्यूजिक इन लंदन? 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years? It was a course of 3 years. Do remember to tell me in comment section how many of your answer you attempted correctly. If you work hard and you know where you are going, you will get there. Who said these words? Whose words are these? If you work hard and you know where you are going, you'll get there. Whose words are these? बिस्मिल्लाह खां, इवलिन ग्लेनी, महात्मा गांधी, डेबोरा काउली. These are the words of Evelyn Glennie. What is the person known as who plays the drum, the tabla, etc.? जो लोग ड्रम, तबला ऐसे परकशन इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू नाउ. आई हैव यूज द वर्ड परकशन. परकसनिस्ट. इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? परकसनिस्ट. जो परकसन इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाएंगे उनको हम बोलेंगे परकसनिस्ट. और ये परकसनिस्ट क्या बजाते हैं? पीठ के बजाने वाले इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स लाइक ड्रम, तबला, जाइलोफोन. What is the meaning of flawlessly? Stammering, mumbling, without any mistake, none of these. It's very easy. Without any mistake. Why does she put off shoes on wooden platform? इवलिन ग्लेनी अपने शूज को वुडन प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्यों उतार देती है? To allow the vibrations pass through her bare feet, to feel cold, to feel comfortable. None. It's very easy. First option, to allow the vibrations pass through her bare feet because she is deaf. What type of instrument is xylophone? Wind, string, percussion, none. Xylophone is a percussion instrument. She was presented the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award in which year she was presented the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award? कब दिया गया उसको ये अवार्ड? In the year 1991. When? In the year 1991 she was presented the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. शुरू में वो ऑर्केस्ट्रा के लिए काम करती थी, बाद में वो सोलो परफॉर्मेंस देना शुरू करती है. God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back with something extraordinary. Who said this? Whose words are these? God may have taken her hearing, but has given her back with something extraordinary. गॉड ने भले ही उसकी हियरिंग छीन ली हो, उसको डेफ बना दिया हो, लेकिन उसको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी दिया है. Which words are these? Ron Forbes, James Blades, James Augustine, Jane Austen. These are the words of James Blades, the master percussionist. James Blades, the master percussionist. 20. One word for a person who finds it difficult to stop working. ऐसा कौन सा व्यक्ति है, उसको हम क्या बुलाते हैं, जो अपने आप को काम करने से रोक नहीं पाता? वर्कर, अल्कोहलिक, वर्कहोलिक, वेबर. It's very easy. You may have guessed the correct answer. वर्कहोलिक. वर्कहोलिक एक ऐसा वर्ड है, उस पर्सन के लिए हम यूज करते हैं who finds difficult to stop working, जो अपने आप को काम करने से रोक नहीं पाता. 21. Apart from regular concerts, she also performs in. और कहाँ कहाँ वो परफॉर्मेंस देती है? फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, prisons, hospitals, both, nowhere. She performs in prisons and hospitals free of cost. So what is our option? Both. 22nd, she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. Who said this? Whose words are these? She is a shining inspiration for deaf children. These are the words of Anne Richlin. Anne Richlin. 23. Her deafness was first noticed when she was, how old she was? जब पहली बार उसके बहरेपन का पता चलता है कि वो सुन नहीं सकती. 9 years old, 6 years old, 8 years old, 10 years old. She was 8 years old then. And she concealed it for 3 years. Then after she concealed it for 3 years till the age of 11 years. Now, the second last question in this video. I would like to remind you, this is part 1. Part 2 is on its way. The link will be provided in description. You can check it. What did Evelyn want to spread through her music? क्या मैसेज देना चाहती है इवलिन लोगों को? म्यूजिक इज नॉट इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. म्यूजिक इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर डेफ. Message of love, peace and happiness? None of these. Option C. Message of love, peace and happiness. Now last question. I hope you have done very well. Which foreign language did Evelyn manage to learn? कौन कौन सी फॉरेन लैंग्वेजेस इवलिन मैनेज करती है, लर्न करती है? इवन दो शी इज अनेबल टू हियर, शी इज अ डेफ. फ्रेंच, बेसिक जापानीज, मैंडरिन दैट इज चाइनीज लैंग्वेज. बोथ A and B. So what is correct option first? She has managed to learn French and basic Japanese. That means both A and B. So what is the correct option first? Both A and B. I hope you enjoyed this session. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक बटन दबा दें and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.